Most people are not broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're missing skills, the specific knowledge needed to manage, grow, and protect money. And the truth is, these skills were never taught in school. Nobody explained how money worked. But today, that changes for you. In this video, I'll break down 10 essential money skills that can completely change your financial life. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. If you master these skills, you'll understand money better than 90% of people. 1. Knowing your real cost of living. Wealth begins with awareness. Most people guess what they spend, but guessing is how you stay broke. Here's the process. Foremost, track every expense for 30 days. Then, group spending into the following categories. First, needs. These are your rent, groceries, and utilities. Second, wants. These could be anything from entertainment to eating out. Third, debts. Fourth, investments. Also, find your minimum cost of survival. This is the amount required to live without changing your lifestyle drastically. This number becomes your anchor. It tells you how much you need saved for emergencies, how much you truly need to earn, and how to plan your investments. If your bare minimum is $600 per month and you spend $1,000, that $400 gap is your opportunity to build wealth. 2. Paying yourself first. The poor pay their bills first. The rich pay themselves first. Paying yourself means before you send money to anyone. Not your landlord, not your bills, not your lifestyle. You automatically set aside money for savings, investing, and future goals. Start with 5% of your income. Increase as you grow. The point is consistency, not perfection. Remember, your future self deserves to get paid before anyone else. 3. Building a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Life happens. Medical bills, job loss, broken car, family emergencies, all unpredictable. Without an emergency fund, you go into debt. And once you're in debt, guess what? Your future income belongs to someone else. Every wealthy person has this buffer. It's not about expecting disaster, it's about preparing for it. A great place to keep it is in a high-yield savings account, money market fund, or a short-term fixed deposit. Your goal is 3 to 6 months of expenses based on the number from your real cost of living. 4. Understanding good debt versus bad debt. Debt itself is not evil. The right kind of debt can make you wealthier. Bad debt includes, but is not limited to, high interest loans, credit card purchases, financing lifestyle upgrades, and anything that decreases in value. Good debt, on the other hand, includes business loans to generate income, mortgages on rental properties, student loans only for high-value skills and equipment that helps you earn more. Note this: if the debt doesn't produce income, it's draining your wealth. 5. Increasing your income. You cannot save your way to wealth. You have to earn more. Expenses have limits. Income doesn't. Here are ways to increase your income. First, learn high-demand skills such as video editing, data analysis, coding, sales, copywriting, and AI tools navigation. Second, start a small online business. This could involve a faceless YouTube channel, digital products, social media management, or online tutoring. Third, freelancing. You can start with just a laptop and internet connection. Last but not least, ask for a raise, but back it up with results. Now pause for a moment and ponder about which of these income paths fits you right now. 6. Understanding how investing works. Investing is not gambling. It's the only method proven for building long-term wealth. The key is understanding compound interest, money that grows on its own. If you invest $100 every month consistently for years, your money starts working harder than you. Here are some simple investing principles. 1. Invest automatically every month. 2. Choose index funds or ETFs. 3. Don't try to time the market. 4. Stay invested long term. Finally, avoid emotional decisions. Keep this in mind. Investing is not about quick profits. It's about slow, steady wealth creation. 7. Avoiding lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, lifestyle creep tries to steal the difference. You get a raise and suddenly, you eat out more. You buy new clothes. You upgrade your phone. You start spending a little extra everywhere. But those little extras destroy your ability to build wealth. Instead, let your income grow. Keep your lifestyle stable and invest the difference. 8. Building and maintaining good credit. Your credit score is basically your financial reputation. A good credit score saves you money. A bad score costs you money. To build good credit, be keen on the following. 1. Pay all bills on time. 2. Keep utilization under 30%. 3. Don't apply for loans you don't need. 4. Check reports for errors. Finally, keep all accounts open. Remember, better credit equals cheaper loans. Cheaper loans equals more money to invest. Number 9. Tracking your net worth. Most people track their salary. Rich people track their net worth. Your net worth is everything you own minus everything you owe. This is the clearest picture of your financial progress. Track it monthly, not daily. Watching your net worth go up is addictive, in a good way, of course. 10. Creating a long-term money plan. This is the skill that ties everything together. The wealthy plan in decades. Everyone else plans in days. Your long-term plan should include the following: how much you want invested, how much you want saved, what kinds of assets you want to own, your income goals, and your retirement targets. When you have a plan, money moves with purpose, and wealth becomes inevitable. These 10 skills are not complicated, but they require discipline. Master them, and your future will look dramatically different. If you want more videos on investing, personal finance, and building wealth, hit the subscribe button. Also, comment below. Which money skill are you going to start working on today?